Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, welcome to The Week with me, Comrade Fatso, where we bring you the news faster than it takes for board notes to become toilet paper. What a week it's been. Robert Mugabe is back, fuel queues are back, and Pastor Evan is back in jail. Well, they let him out. But first, the Mugabe shuffle goes viral.
New Cupid. Time for a change. News down, do your dance. We got a brand new dance.
The jacarandas are out, the fuel queues are snaking again, the cash sellers are thriving, and people are panic buying. It smells like 2008 all over again. For those of you who weren't around for 2008, ZANU-PF have brought it back just for you, so you can relive it. It's like Back to the Future. It's like having your favorite Mayazuka African movie, but on Explorer, so you can rewind and watch it, except there's no popcorn, because this is 2008, so there's popcorn shortages.
From the guys that brought you 2008, now almost 10 years later comes the sequel. Relive the romance of meeting the love of your life in a bread queue, involuntary candlelit dinners, and roadside sleepovers disguised as fuel queues. The Herald has called it the most spectacular film since Yellow Card. Sunday Mail has said it's almost as revolutionary as Command Agriculture. Rotten Tomatoes has said, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, just so it can try to kill you again. 2017, just like 2008, but much worse.
Here at The Week, we've prepared a special 2008 survival guide just for you, fresh for 2017. Forget about supermarkets. You'll need to go to dark alleyways to buy your bread from enterprising street kids. If you see a queue, join it, no matter what it's for. Buy now, ask later. I mean, that rat poison might come in handy sometime. To do your groceries, you'll need more than fuel. You'll need air miles, so you can fly down to South Africa to do your groceries and brush up on your Zulu for those market negotiations. Who needs cash? Barter trade will become the new in thing as comrades trade pork for beer. You'll find out that Ningi has got some steak at his house, and you go buy the steak there. Then someone else has got some Heineken lagers at theirs, you buy there. The people's economy. If you've had enough of the mismanagement of the economy by the government, then join the Pockets Out protest this Friday, where everyone will be showing their empty pockets in protest at their poverty. While half the nation is up in arms about fuel queues, the other half is drowning their sorrows in beards. Not beer, beards. Yes, the Beard Gang Facebook group has gone viral as ladies swoon over the mandebus of men. Hashtag this facial hair. You think it's enough? It's good? Or it needs to be a bit more? Just a little bit more. Pastor Evan was arrested again. Yes, our government keeps showing how great it is by arresting a guy who spoke about shortages instead of those who created the shortages. Well done, comrades. At least it shows you've got no shortage of handcuffs to arrest these saboteurs. As you know, voter registration has kicked off, and it's up to us, the young people in urban areas, to get out there and register to vote, because we are the ones with the numbers who can make a change. For those of you who are not sure about what's needed to register to vote, the Electoral Resource Center has come up with 5 easy steps on how to register. Have your identity document, proof of residence, and complete the registration form. Submit your form, identity documents, and proof of residence to the voter registration officer. The voter registration officer will scan your documents, fingers, and take your photograph. You'll be asked to verify all the data. Receive a certificate of registration to confirm your registration. Keep your certificate in a safe place. Verify your registration details. If you're having problems getting to the voter registration centers, then hit up the hashtag CitizensCombi. Get 12 to 16 people together who want to register to vote, and then tweet at CitManifesto or WhatsApp this number, and the hashtag CitizensCombi will come pick you up. Thanks for joining us on the final episode of Season 3 of The Week. We'll be back in 2 months' time with a banging new season. Thanks for joining us on The Week. I've been Comrade Fatso. You have been the people. Thank you, and fuel queue. I mean, food sack.
yeah.